The rundown: Anthropic just released Claude for Excel in beta, letting users interact with the AI assistant through a sidebar that can read, analyze, and modify spreadsheets, alongside new connectors and skills for the financial industry. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Dewald. This is Tuesday, October 28th, 2025. Anthropic's Claude for Excel puts the AI inside the very sheets that drive finance. With 7 connectors to Moody's, LSEG, and earnings transcripts, Claude can build cash flow models, fix formulas, and generate coverage reports. Visual: overlay of a live spreadsheet being rewritten. That speed can save analysts hours, but it also raises fraud and systemic risk questions. Next, Odyssey 2. This streaming video model outputs frames at 20 frames per second and lets you steer scenes in real time via chat. Think co-directing with an AI, imperfect quality, huge potential for interactive storytelling in games. Hardware matters too. Qualcomm unveiled the AI200 data center chip, with Humane as a first customer. Real competition for NVIDIA could change pricing and access. OpenAI updated GPT-5 to better handle mental health crises, hitting clinician compliance rates near 91% and patching long chat breakdowns. Finally, MiniMax released M2, a top open model excelling at agentic and STEM tasks. An important win for open research. These stories show AI spreading into spreadsheets, video, chips, and safety. Expect more power, more access, and more messy trade-offs. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Dewald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about AI spreadsheets takeover in the comments. Give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.